Do you like clams? Because today I have a special treat for you seafood lovers out there. I'm going to take you through the process of preparing and cooking clam soup so that you can enjoy a delicious and mouth-watering soup right at home. Okay, let's get started! Let's start off by mincing some garlic. Next, onion. Half an onion would be perfect. Then, tomato. Slice it into just like this. We will also be using chicken broth cube. Just half of the cube would be enough. Don't forget the ginger. We'll be using just this small. Then pound it, just up to this point. Spring onions. Just slice it into simple chunks. About an inch long will do. Don't forget your lemongrass. This will make your soup more tasty and I really love the smell of lemongrass. Fresh or frozen, not a problem. But if you do have the option, then I would recommend the fresh clams. First things first, give your clams a good rinse. Rinse the clams under cold water to remove any dirt or sand. Once the clams are clean, it's time to prepare them for cooking. Now add oil, then saute the garlic, onion, and tomato. Add salt and seasoning granules to taste. Add 2 to 3 cups of water. Now you can put your broth cube, ginger, and lemongrass. Cover it until it boils. Time to add the clams. Mix and cover it for a few minutes. Ooh, I think this one's cooked. Last but not the least, add the spring onions. So, there you have it guys, a complete guide to preparing and cooking clam soup. What are you waiting for? Head to your local seafood market, pick up some fresh clams, and get ready to impress your taste buds. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!